In the real estate development clients we work with, and we work with quite a few around the world, for them, it's often location, location, location is everything. For lots of other companies, it's people, people, people. And for sure, for us at L&Co, it's all about having the right people that drive success. And so, as many of you would know, that we're very selective in who we choose to add to our team and thorough and assessing people and making sure people are the right fit. And so all of last year, we continued looking for great people to try and keep up with the demand as our clients keep sending other people for us to help, which we're happy to do. We were just getting too full. So we spent the whole year looking for people. We'd hoped to have 2 people at our retreat. And with us, we had our retreat up in Whistler at the end of the year, and we didn't get there. And we're there with our quarterly goals, and we're not achieving this. We're behind on our goals, and we were doubling down our efforts. And finally, as we got to the end of the year and early into the new year, we were looking for 2, but we found 3 amazing advisors to add to our team. So we went through our full process. We did onboarding with them starting in January and into February. And they've been doing lots of shadowing with different clients and learning to master the content and the tools. And anyway, we're really excited to share with you these 3 awesome new advisors that are joining us. You can read in the article about their experiences and their backgrounds. But we've got Chris, who's based in Winnipeg and actually going to be spending some time in Boston. So Chris, you can read about him. Awesome guy, and has had a great background. Elizabeth out of Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, for those of you that aren't in Canada. And then Marty, who's in just outside of Vancouver. So you can read all about them. Just thrilled to have them on our team. And, they're working with us in this, the support of our existing advisors, helping them to learn our way of approaching strat planning, CEO coaching, and driving growth. So I really want to welcome the 3 of them. They've been working super hard to get up to speed, and we are thrilled to work with them. And hopefully you'll be thrilled when you get to work with them soon. All the best. Enjoy your day. Hope you get to celebrate your awesome people like we get to celebrate today.